On my last video about being ambitious but lazy, someone commented, "Put another video on how to overcome it and start action." And that comment hit me, because a lot of us are stuck in that same loop. So let's break it. You know, ambition is a funny thing. It's the only place where you can feel like a genius and a failure at the same time. You imagine the life you want so clearly. But your body is like, "Great plan. Let's start tomorrow." And tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next month. And boom, suddenly you're giving TED Talks in your shower, while your real life is buffering. But here's the thing nobody tells you. There's nothing wrong with you. You're not broken. You're not lazy by nature. You're just stuck in that uncomfortable space between who you are and who you want to be. And that space is where most dreams go to die. But today, we're not letting that happen. You see, ambition is loud. It shouts. It dreams big. It paints pictures. But discipline whispers. Ambition says, "I'm going to be great." Discipline says, "Okay, open your laptop." And that difference right there is why so many of us stay stuck. We chase the feeling, not the process. Because dreaming is comfortable. Planning is comfortable. Talking about what we want is very comfortable. But action? Action is awkward. Action is messy. Action makes you feel like a beginner again. And guess what? Your brain hates feeling like a beginner. That's why the first step always feels impossible. Not because the step is hard, but because your brain is trying to protect your ego. You ever notice how doing the smallest thing feels like a mountain? When you've been procrastinating, reply to an email, suddenly you're tired. Clean your room? Your bones hurt. Start your business idea? You need a nap, a snack, and a motivational video. But here's the truth. Overcoming ambitious but lazy doesn't start with motivation. It starts with movement. Tiny, ugly, inconsistent movement. The first step doesn't have to be good. It just has to exist. Because when you move, even a little, your brain does something magical. It shifts from "I can't" to "Wait, maybe I can." Let me tell you the real secret. You don't overcome laziness. You outsmart it. You lower the bar until taking action feels stupidly easy. You don't start by trying to change your life. You start by doing the smallest version of the thing you've been avoiding. Want to get fit? Do 5 minutes. Want to build a business? Research one thing. Want to fix your finances? Open your banking app. Want to study? Read one page. And when you do that one tiny thing, your brain gets tricked into momentum. And momentum is stronger than motivation. All right, now let's talk about the part the commenter specifically asked for. How to overcome it and start action. Here's the simplest formula I've ever used. No fluff, no life-changing morning routine. Just 3 steps. Step 1. Pick one goal. Not 10. Not 5. 1. Your brain can't chase everything. Choose the thing that matters the most right now. Step 2. Break it down until it's impossible to avoid. Not start a business. Instead, research one idea. Watch one tutorial. Draft one page. Do one small task. Your brain likes easy wins. Step 3. Do it daily, even if it's tiny. Consistency beats intensity. Always. A small action done every day destroys massive action done once a month. And here's the part most people don't realize. Once your brain gets used to seeing progress, even tiny progress, it starts craving more of it. And that's how you escape the ambitious but lazy trap. Not by becoming a superhero overnight, but by becoming someone who moves, even slowly. And trust me, slow progress still beats standing still. So if you're watching this thinking, "I really want to change, but I don't know where to start," start small. Start messy. Start confused. Just start. Because the version of you you've been imagining, they're waiting on the other side of your excuses. And today is a good day to meet them. See you in the next video.